Number 7, it fits right with avoiding the courts. Avoid probate. Probably everybody has heard that probate should be avoided. Now, we're going to talk about in a little while, well, maybe probate should not be avoided. But in some situations, yes, probate should be avoided. If there's no benefit to it, avoid probate. There's many ways that on somebody's death, probate can be avoided. One of the main ways to avoid probate is through a revocable living trust. Now, a revocable living trust is a tool, a legal document that you sign while you're alive, and its purpose, primary purpose, I would say, is to avoid probate when you die. With a revocable living trust, if it's done right, that means if you fund the trust, if you manage the trust, if when you sell a house, you put your new house into the trust, if your bank accounts are retitled in the trust, if all of your assets have to be titled in the trust that can be titled in the trust. And if you do it right, then when you die, your assets go wherever you want them to go without the need for a probate. Probate is where a will is filed with the court issues letters testamentary to the executor, they go on their way and they administer your estate. Well, a lot of people want to avoid probate. In certain states, definitely you want to avoid probate, California, for example. But in Washington, probates are not like in California. They're not like in Oregon. They're called non-intervention. They can be fairly simple. But nonetheless, probate will involve legal fees unless you try to do it yourself. If you do that, I can pretty much tell you, you're probably not going to do it correctly. So avoid probate if there is no benefit for probate. How do you do that? One of the ways you can do it is through a revocable living trust. That might be a great estate planning tool for you. Whether it is or not, I can't tell you, because you need to talk to your lawyer to say, hey, is this a good estate planning tool for me or not?